Hello guys, welcome to Maha Educational Channel. Today's topic is Chemistry IPE Important Questions Part 5. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3 belongs to Section A. Part 4 belongs to 4 marks question, Section B. And this also belongs to Section B, 4 marks questions, most important for IPE examination. These questions is needed, not more questions is needed for IP examination. If a student preparing for MSET, they have a little time to prepare for IPE. These questions is needed for examination. I'm going on my video. You see first, second, third, fourth parts of my channel. Chemistry IP important questions is the thumbnail. 15th question, hydrogen and its compounds. First question, describe the electrolytic method for the preparation of H2O2. Second question, what is hardness of water? How is hardness of water removed by permitted process or ion exchange method or Kalgan method? Third question, write a few lines on the utility of hydrogen as a fuel. Fourth question, write a note on heavy water. Fifth question, write any food reducing properties of hydrogen peroxide. Give equations. Sixth question, explain with suitable examples the following: electron deficient, electron precise, and electron rich hydrates. Most important question is this one and this one. This one and this one also. Four questions are mostly important. Second question, third question, fourth question, and fifth question. When we go on P block elements group 13 is important for 2 marks question and also 4 marks question. These questions are given in the exam sheet. Exam question paper is 16th question. 16th question. How is diboron B2H6 prepared? Explain its structure. Most important question. Second question, write an essay on the preparation of chemical activities of diboron. Third question, explain the borax-Brett test within suitable examples. These two questions are most important in this chapter. These two questions are needed. These two questions are 5-star questions. These two are 2-star and 3-star questions. Explain borax-Brett test with a suitable example. Fourth question, what a electron deficient compound is? BCl3 is an electron deficient species. Explain. When we go on chemical bonding is given to 8 marks question or 4 marks question. If chemical bonding is given in the 4 marks question, it does not given to the 8 marks question section. Okay. If 8 marks question section is not given, 4 mark in this chapter 4 marks question will come in section B. 17th question, chemical bonding. First question, explain sp3d2 hybridization with an example. Second question, explain the structure of PCl5 molecule with hybridization. Third question, explain the structure of ethylene. Fourth question, state Fazan's rule with suitable examples. Fifth question, what is meant by the term bond order? Bond order is most important. Paramagnetic, diamagnetic, that we have to write. Calculate the bond orders of N2O2. This is the most important question. This is 2-star question. And these 3 questions are mostly asked in the public examination. Organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is mostly important to 2 marks, 4 marks and 7 marks, 8 marks. Organic chemistry, 18th question in the question paper. First sub question. Write 2 methods of preparation of ethylene. Give the equations. Second question, explain position isomer, functional group isomer with 1 example each. Third question, how do explain words reaction and Federcraft alkylation with example for each. How do you get benzene from ethylene? Explain the halogenation and alkylation of benzene. Fifth question, write the corresponding equations for the following reactions and name products A and B. A and B, these type of questions are mostly important. C also they given. C is product. A, B are reactants. And sixth question, describe the method of preparation of ethylene. Give the equation for the reaction of the ethylene with the example with the following. A. Ozone. B. Cold and alkaline KMnO4. Seventh question, how the following are obtained from benzene? Nitrobenzene, methylbenzene. Give the equations. And the eighth question, write notes on the following. A. Distillation and B. Chromatography. I uploaded 4 parts of chemistry examination important questions. Please see that parts also. They are also depend on when you see that paper model that you can easily prepare for examination. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like, share, comment, share to your friends.